Come on. You know you want it. And you let it sink. What I'm doing wrong. Oh, there he is. Ah, letting it sit was whoa. Calm down, buddy. God, these mugs fuck. Oh, Lord. Don't go over there. Oh. Sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to get you all cattywampus there. Hey, calm down. Sorry about that, buddy. Alright. Toodles. Oh. I'm so sorry, buddy. Maybe that guy who cut that barb off wasn't so dumb after all. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. Yeah, I get you straight. Come on. There you go. Sometimes these shad like to play dead, like a possum.